Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So click the link if you would like to buy this phone. Honor 90 Lite Mobile was launched on the 20th of June 2023. The phone comes with a 90Hz refresh rate 6.70-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1080x2388 pixels, FHD+, and an aspect ratio of 19.99. Honor 90 Lite is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Honor 90 Lite runs Android 13 and is powered by a 4500 mAh non-removable battery. The Honor 90 Lite supports 35W fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Honor 90 Lite on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 100-megapixel f/1.9 primary camera and a 5-megapixel f/2.2 camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor with an f/2.45 aperture. The Honor 90 Lite runs Magic OS 7.1, is based on Android 13 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The Honor 90 Lite is a dual SIM mobile. The Honor 90 Lite measures 162.90 by 74.50 by 7.48 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 179.00 grams. It was launched in Cyan Lake, Midnight Black, and Titanium Silver colors. Connectivity options on the Honor 90 Lite include Wi-Fi 802.11a b per gram, N, AC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.30, NFC, USB OTG, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The phone is powered by a 4500 mAh battery that can charge up to 55% in just half an hour, but it requires a compatible 35W Honor supercharger. Also, the Honor 90 Lite features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, but no 3.5mm audio jack, which is replaced with an USB-C 2.0 port. On the bright side, the Honor 90 Lite comes with Android 13 and 5G support. Although prices for the Honor 90 and 90 Pro haven't been announced yet, they can't be much more expensive than the newly launched Honor 90 Lite. We'd suggest waiting for the July 6th announcement to compare prices. Perhaps the Honor 90 and 90 Pro will be much better deals than the Honor 90 Lite.